Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo V21e and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then we have to scroll down in order to find lock screen and wallpaper. Now let's tap on the wallpaper section, and as you can see here we will be transferred to the list of available pre-installed wallpapers from which we can choose. What is more, we can always tap on this icon in the right upper corner and we will be transferred to our own photos. So you will always be able to set your own photo as a wallpaper, but let me pick something from those options which are pre-installed here. And basically, if you'd like to check the preview of the wallpaper, simply tap on it. So let me pick this one, for example. As you can see, if you want to, you can always swipe to check other options which you like the most. You can set it, of course. You can also tap on the preview, and here you can see how it will look like after applying. And if you're happy with your choice, just tap on apply. Right now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both. And I will pick both options, so let me tap on it, and now we can go back and check. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Vivo V21e. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.